Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Leica Q4, an exciting step forward in compact camera technology. If you're passionate about photography and want to stay ahead of the curve, keep reading, because the Leica Q4 is set to change the game. The Leica Q4 is not your ordinary compact camera. It's more than just a simple upgrade. It's a bold leap into the future of high-performance photography. Leica's Q series has always been known for its combination of legacy, luxury, and unrivaled optical quality, and the Q4 promises to take that legacy even further. This camera is designed not only for professionals, but also for passionate creators who demand excellence in every shot. While Leica hasn't held a grand reveal event, the Q4's specs are already creating buzz, and, trust me, the anticipation is justified. The Q4 is set to be released in late spring or early summer of 2027. Let's break down everything you need to know about this groundbreaking camera, from the new 70-megapixel sensor to the enhanced video capabilities. One of the biggest upgrades is the introduction of a 70-megapixel full-frame BSIM sensor. This marks a significant jump from the Q3's 60-megapixel sensor. This new sensor is designed to deliver not just higher resolution, but also exceptional detail in every shot. Whether you're shooting in low light or capturing intricate textures, the Q4 promises richer colors, deeper shadows, and more dynamic highlights. Street photographers, portrait artists, and landscape shooters alike will appreciate the enhanced image quality that the Q4 brings to the table. But the Leica Q4 isn't just about stills. It's also a powerful video tool. You'll get 8K recording at 30 FPS, which is an absolute game-changer for filmmakers. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or creating high-end video projects, the Q4's 8K video will give you the resolution and flexibility you need. Add to that 4K recording at 120 FPS for smooth slow-motion footage, and you have a hybrid tool that combines top-tier photography with pro-level video capabilities. The integration of ProRes 4.2.2 HQ recording ensures that post-production workflows will be seamless, making this a dream camera for professional creators. Autofocus has also been dramatically improved in the Q4. The new hybrid system combines fast phase detection with real-time object and eye tracking. This means your shots will stay sharp even when the action is fast and unpredictable. Whether you're shooting a fast-moving subject or a fleeting moment, the Leica Q4's autofocus system will lock onto your subject instantly with zero lag or hunting. The iconic Summilux 28mm f1.7 lens has been further refined for the Q4. Leica has introduced new optical elements and coatings to reduce flare and improve edge sharpness, ensuring that every shot you take is incredibly detailed, from center to corners. Macro performance has also been improved, letting you get closer to your subject without losing any of the fine details. It's clear that Leica isn't just adding new features to the Q4. They're elevating every aspect of the experience, from the sensor to the lens, ensuring that every shot feels like a work of art. When it comes to usability, the Leica Q4 doesn't disappoint. The new 3.2-inch tiltable touchscreen LCD is brighter, sharper, and more responsive than ever before, making it easier to shoot from difficult angles or in harsh sunlight. The screen is designed with a multi-axis tilt, allowing you to adjust the angle both vertically and horizontally. This is perfect for street photographers who need flexibility or for vlogging in tight spaces. The viewfinder has also been upgraded to a stunning 6.5-megapixel OLED EVF, offering unmatched clarity and no lag. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, the viewfinder will allow for smooth tracking of fast-moving subjects, whether you're capturing sports or panning for video. Additionally, the battery life has been extended by over 25%, so you can shoot for longer, without worrying about running out of power during a shoot. And with USB-C fast charging, you can get 80% charge in under 40 minutes, ensuring that you're always ready to shoot. Leica has always prioritized build quality, and the Q4 continues that tradition. Crafted from magnesium alloy and Kevlar-inspired composites, the body is rugged yet lightweight, with improved weather sealing to an IP53 rating. This means you can confidently shoot in any environment, from dusty streets to light rain, knowing that your camera can handle the elements. The tactile dials and shutter release are a joy to use, and every interaction with the Q4 feels purposeful and precise. Connectivity has also been enhanced in the Leica Q4. With the latest USB-C 3.2 Gen 2x2 interface, data transfer speeds are lightning fast, making it easy to move large video files or high-resolution images without delay. The addition of full-size HDMI output means you can monitor your footage in real time, and with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, wireless transfers and remote control are faster and more stable than ever before. Leica also offers wireless charging via an optional accessory grip, so you can charge your camera without the need for cables, maintaining that sleek, minimalist design. So, how much will this powerhouse of a camera cost? Given the leaps in technology, the Q4 will likely be priced between $6,500 and $7,000, which is a step up from previous models. However, Leica's pricing strategy is not based on specs alone. It's about delivering an experience. The Q4 isn't just a camera. It's a statement piece that combines form and function with craftsmanship that will stand the test of time. In summary, the Leica Q4 is set to be the ultimate compact full-frame camera with a 70-megapixel sensor, 8K video recording, and next-level autofocus. It's built for creators who demand the best and who understand that a camera is more than just a tool. It's an extension of their creative vision. The Q4 will not only meet the demands of today's photographers and filmmakers, but will also stay relevant for years to come, thanks to its timeless design and innovative features. So, if you're ready to step up your photography game and capture the future of compact full-frame cameras, the Leica Q4 should be at the top of your list. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to its official release. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when new details drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.